For this project, we're going to be drawing Christmas trees that look like they belong in a world drawn by Dr. Seuss. And what you need is a piece of paper, a pencil, a Sharpie, an eraser, crayons. And then if you're at school, you will be receiving a printed out example of some ideas to look at. If you're doing this at home, you will see the same image online, or you can just come up with your own. This is just to give you a starting point. So the first thing you're going to do is draw a tree in the middle of your paper. Now, any size paper will work. If you're doing it at school, you'll find that your paper is a little larger than this. I am just doing it smaller because it fits better in the camera frame. So I'm going to start with drawing a tree in the center, and I think I'm going to start with one that has a curvy top. Make it kind of long and skinny, and then it gets a little fatter at the bottom. And the nice thing about drawing trees that look like Dr. Seuss trees, you don't have to worry if they're exactly perfect or not. And I'll put a long trunk on that one. And the one on this side, I think I'm going to make in a couple of different pieces and make it look like it goes behind this tree. This one has a really long trunk. And then over here, going to make this one look like it goes behind this first tree. And up top, I think I'm going to put a swirl. There we go. And put the trunk on there. I also think I might make it look like there's some snow blowing around the trunk of the tree, just to take up some of this negative space in the bottom. So now I have 3 trees, and I have some snow swirling along the bottom. Then I'm going to add some ornaments, and that's another time that you can maybe look at this to get some ideas. Maybe I'm going to draw some polka dots on this tree, but instead of just drawing single polka dots, I think I'll do double polka dots, like so. I think on the top of this tree I'm going to put a star. Again, it's Dr. Seuss style, so I'm not going to worry about drawing a perfect star. I think I'm going to make a baby star on the top of this one. And then on this one, maybe I will make some stripes. And I'm going to go ahead and put stripes on this layer, and then maybe I'll put small polka dots on this layer. Maybe on this layer I'll put some swirls. And I'd fill this in with swirls, and then I'd come up with a design for this one. And each tree is going to have a unique design. Once I get finished with my designs, I'm then going to go back with a Sharpie and neatly outline everything I have drawn. Now I would suggest you get done with your ornaments first, so that if you need to erase anything you can before you get started with the Sharpie. So I'm going to stop this video here, and I'll finish mine, and you can begin to work on yours. So draw a tree in the middle, a tree on each side, add the trunks, maybe some swirls of snow, add the decorations to the tree, and then carefully outline everything with Sharpie. When you come back to the next video, then you'll see what we're going to do to finish these up.